Hey guys, welcome to my channel once again. This is Medilock. If you are new to this channel, my name is Medilock, and on this channel we discuss a lot of things that leads to simple solution to life hacks. So we discuss virtually everything that has to do that will give us simple solution to life. And today we want to talk quickly about how to use natural remedy to treat your high BP, because now, due to things happening in our current world, you see a lot of people at a very tender age, they have hypertension. They are hypertensive. A lot of people are hypertensive. Some are not even aware, and some are aware of it because they've been diagnosed and they are on drugs, and some they are having chronic BP but they don't know, and they are not even on drugs, they are not controlling it. That is why at times you see somebody at the age of 40, at the age of 42, very tender age, the person will just drop dead. Some even 25, 27 years, they are dying of BP now. So in order to prevent that, and again, in order to prevent sudden death, as a result of BP or stroke, at times you can suffer total stroke, major stroke, partial stroke, all these things, they are all as a result of BP, and it will be in our body, but we may not know that this thing is disturbing us. So how do we solve this problem? That is why I've come up with this natural remedy. Everybody have been, people have been taking this, but they don't know that it is a natural cure for BP, hypertension. Some will say, hey, I reject it. Hypertension will never be my portion. It is not all about you saying it. What are those issues of life that you go through? You think a lot. You have children that are giving you sleepless night. You have job interviews that you went to. They said they will get back to you, and you're always checking your phone for alert. You're always checking your phone for message from them, and then you suffer relationship failure, marital hustle, so many things are troubling us. You are a man, you wake up in the morning, you'll be doing mathematics, what you will eat for that day. There's nothing in the store, there's nothing in the kitchen, there's nothing in the fridge. You begin to think, how do you raise money? You have some pending things, pending needs, health needs, family needs, career needs, educational needs. Yes, because academically it can be very, very challenging. And some people develop BP. It's very, very natural, especially at advanced level of education. When you are doing your master's, you are doing your PhD, it is very few people that will skate through that PhD without developing BP. So you are not alone. It is a general thing. Because I myself, I am a PhD student. So I know what I'm talking about. I'm talking from experience, and I'm talking from experiment and scientific knowledge. All right. I want you guys, please, if you are watching this video, go and get cloves. This is clove powder. I have shown this before in one of my videos, but specifically this video today is meant for how you can treat your high BP, with cloves. Natural remedy for hypertension. If you are hypertensive, this is clove. This one, I discovered this recently, and I've been using it. I love clove for the flavor it gives to my tea. That is natural. I like it in drinks. I like it in my tea. So, and I take it you know, just because of the flavor. But after discovering what clove can do to my body, to my health, I take it more. And it cures other ailments, but I don't want to talk about any other thing now in this video. I just want to talk about how you can use this to treat your hypertension. Are you on drugs already? They have placed you on drugs already, or maybe you are just there. You feel you are always having this headache, and then your heart is beating. You know, your heart is doing boom 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 boom. You know yourself. You know how you feel. You feel some hotness, you know, in your body. You know, when you breathe as if your blood is hot, you'll be feeling some hotness in your body. Use clove. This is the seed, you know. I brought out this one. This one too is the seed, you know, so that you can see. Let me show you, guys. This is clove. You can get this one, boil it, you know, boil it. Just get a separate kettle, dedicated kettle in your kitchen. Put this clove, you know, take like handful like this, not even handful, just a little in your hand like this. Pour it in your kettle, you know, then put like 4 cups of water, pour it inside and boil it for like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, or 30 minutes. It depends on how intense you want the flavor. If you're already hypertensive, you are even on drugs, you can drink this. It will bring it down. And even when you forget to take your drugs, you will be feeling normal. And you will not suffer stroke. Even you are already having stroke, you are already down with stroke, when you are consistent with this, add it with ginger, you know, you will begin to see that those area of your body that is not functioning well, they will begin to come alive. You have to be consistent. It's very, very cheap. It's not expensive. This one, I got it for 700 naira, I think, or 1,000 naira, you know, in a supermarket here. But this one is very costly. I don't know why this one, I felt this one is cheaper because it's in powdery form, but this one is very costly, but you can get it. At least if you buy 1,000 naira, 2,000 naira on will last you a whole month. Because once you cook this quantity, the quantity I showed you now, like this, it can last you 3 days. You can drink the tea for 3 days. And when the flavor fades out, you remove it, pour it away, then get a new one. Like this one, when you take it, first of all, you have to wash it. You know, wash it in the water, clean it, and then before you start cooking it, you boil it. And I pray that as you begin to take this, God will give you solution to that your high BP problem you are facing. God will heal you. God will set you free, because God is the one that created this thing. The problem we have is that we lack the knowledge. So when you have the knowledge already, you apply the knowledge and you will see the manifestation of the power of God. All right, guys, I don't have much to say again concerning this video. Please watch out for my next video. I'll see you again very soon. Thank you. Bye.